Bonsoir à toutes, bonsoir à tous.
Hello everybody and welcome once again to the red carpet for a very special session because the film which is presented tonight at 10:30 in the Lumière Theatre has already presented. It was presented yesterday in competition. It was Guillaume Niclau's film, Valley of Love. It's a first and it's going to have a second public screening.
La salle sera pleine, elle est remplie à craquer. Ceux qui n'ont pas pu y aller hier après-midi parce que c'était quand même un peu difficile.
But it's a bit difficult, you know, but you can see it again. Now why? Because yesterday was due to the circumstances, because Gérard Depardieu had to go back for a shoot, and Isabelle Huppert, she had to go to the theatre because she's playing at the moment in Paris. And so there was the official screening yesterday afternoon, but to sort of, you know, to make sure that everybody who couldn't see the film could see it tonight, there is a second screening tonight. And guess what? We did both screenings because yesterday Sophie talked with Isabelle Huppert, Guillaume Niclau and Gérard Depardieu, and we're back tonight to talk again with Guillaume Niclau and maybe the producer and his crew. So they'll be here to present Valley of Love, but Isabelle Huppert and Guillaume Depardieu won't be here, but we want to make sure that you can hear them and see what they said about their film. Listen to the interview that was given to Pierre Zeny yesterday morning on Téléfestival de Cannes. Yesterday morning, and they didn't speak to any television.
Vous l'avez trouvé justement complètement lui-même.
And how did you find Gérard? Was he true to himself? Yes, we are true to ourselves because in the film we have the same names. I'm Isabelle, he's Gérard, and we are actors in the film. And we have a conversation about day-to-day things, natural things. And it was great to get back to him. He's exactly as he was back in the Lulu days.
Avec un immense plaisir.
And it was a thrill to work together again. Did you miss one another?
Oui.
Yes, I missed her.
La voyais, elle était omniprésente.
But as I could see her all over the place, she's absolutely everywhere. And I had other things, other events.
Simplement un acteur. En fait, je m'aperçois que je suis plus connu dans le monde pour avoir pissé dans un avion.
But I think people know me more around the world because I peed in an aircraft once, rather than being an actor.
Et je ressens ça sur la planète, c'est formidable.
It's great to be back together. I missed Isabelle's fragility, her physical fragility. The wonderful thing is this tiny little woman whom you can protect. She doesn't need protecting because she can slip away in between your hands.
Voilà, donc vous avez entendu Isabelle Huppert
and Gérard Depardieu. But now let's go and talk to the director of the film, Guillaume Niclau. Guillaume Niclau is here with his producers, Sylvie Piala. We'll try and have a quick word. Here they are at the bottom of the steps. We'll try and different words with Guillaume.
On va l'embêter, mais tant pis, j'espère qu'il ne nous embêtera pas trop. Alors, on va peut-être passer par l'autre côté, parce que ça c'est un petit peu...
Maybe go around the way, because it's a bit difficult, we might fall over.
Il y a donc une deuxième montée des marches.
So the second steps.
On y va. On va peut-être faire le tour.
So maybe we'll go around.
Sylvie, ça va?
Sylvie, how are you?
Bonsoir,
Hello.
C'est une drôle de chose, la deuxième séance.
A second screening is fantastic. Yeah, it's a great surprise. But we've got Gérard and Isabelle because Isabelle is in the Odeon. And Gérard is shooting Delphine's film in Macon, but it's great to present the film the next day. What's it like the second time? It's great. I mean, you know, we're overwhelmed with emotion, and so we try and surf on this wave of emotion. I was just blown away. Yeah, well, me too. I mean, it's a devastating film, but it's good. And sharing the Gérard that I love with, you know, it's with as many people as possible. It's incredible joy. Was it difficult to produce? No. Why not?
Non, parce que c'est un film on a tourné en 18
No,
jours.
I mean we shot in 18 days.
56 degrés, donc.
You know, it was.
Non, les partenaires sont arrivés.
55 degrees, 56 degrees.
Non, c'est pas.
Everybody was very enthusiastic. It wasn't difficult. Was it difficult to shoot over there?
C'est-à-dire que ce décor-là, cet endroit-là est tellement
No, that place is so particular. I mean, it's not the States. It's, you know, it's in this national park, 56 degrees, with the rangers and.
Je crois que c'est une aventure qu'on ne pourra jamais oublier.
It's, I think, an adventure we'll never forget. So you've got the unions, you've got the rangers, you've got all sorts of things. Now, is it more difficult than here?
Oui, en même temps, on est.
Yeah, but at the same time, you know, we're a small budget. We're not really within the unions. We've got a minimum level. I will let you go. So thank you very much, Sylvie Piala.
Donc mise en place pour la seconde
montée
des
for the second steps. Second red carpet.
The Valley of Love, le film.
The Valley of Love.
De Guillaume Niclou, qui est là tout seul.
From Guillaume Niclou, who's here with his producer.
Le réalisateur de Valley of Love. Avec un de ses comédiens, Dan Warner.
Avec l'un des acteurs du film qui est là aussi.
There's Dan Warner that's there, one of the actors in the film.
Gérard Depardieu.
Who asked Gérard Depardieu to give him an autograph.
Vous êtes sans doute, vous êtes un acteur, c'est ça? Vous voulez pas un autographe? Et Gérard Depardieu lui signe Robert De Niro sur le bouquin.
And Depardieu signed Robert De Niro.
Et voilà donc les
Dan Warner
maintenant qui vont passer devant les photographes. Sylvie Piala.
Sylvie Piala will be in front of the photographers.
Sur le tapis rouge.
C'est un film où
it's a film
l'émotion vient petit à petit.
Where the emotion slowly builds up.
J'ai envie de dire que l'émotion est un peu infantibuliforme dans ce film-là. Elle coule petit à petit comme dans un entonnoir. Et après,
little by little,
par une scène magique.
And then there's a magic scene.
Nous ne vous dirons rien. On n'est pas tous à penser
which I won't give away. Not everybody thinks this, but I was very surprised by the film.
Et voilà donc Guillaume Niclou.
So Guillaume Niclou.
Dan Warner à l'image.
Dan Warner, there you can see.
C'est très étrange, une seconde montée des marches. Thierry Frémaux les attend.
Thierry Frémaux waiting for them.
Une première.
This is a first for the festival.
Vraiment, pas totalement, parce que les films d'ouverture et les films
But the opening film and closing films are
en seconde séance publique
second public screening.
Après l'ouverture et la clôture, donc vous pouvez, si vous êtes privilégié invité à la cérémonie d'ouverture ou à la cérémonie de clôture, vous pouvez rester.
You can stay and see the film.
Il y a une autre projection
There's another screening.
plus facile d'accès à 23h
at 11 o'clock.
Première.
So it's not a real premiere.
Voilà donc Valley of Love.
Valley of Love, the story of this couple which is a bit lost
dans le désert,
in the desert, lost in the US. Thierry Frémaux welcoming Guillaume Niclou for the second time.
Et Imatlos, sans vraiment d'identité nationale qui se retrouve dans ce désert et qui va se retrouver totalement assailli
which is there in this desert,
par ses sentiments,
overwhelmed by
la mort de leur fils, qui leur a envoyé une lettre,
by the loss of their son. Their son, he sent them a letter asking them a few months later
dans la vallée de la mort,
to go into Death Valley, saying that he would come and join them.
Et c'est évidemment
and of course
totale redécouverte de l'amour qui vient de la perte.
Rediscovery of love that comes from loss. It's not an easy film, but it's very surprising to see how Depardieu and Huppert work well because of who they are and because of this very strong story, this emotion.
Et voilà donc en haut des marches, ils vont rentrer une nouvelle fois dans la salle du palais.
So they're going to go into the festival hall once again.
Ils vont devoir recommencer à vivre après ce qu'ils vont vivre là.
To relive what they've already lived. This sort of palimpsest. They're going to start everything again.
Sur leur vie antérieure.
Go back onto what they've done in their previous lives.
Alors que tout le monde est applaudi
Everybody.
L'équipe, enfin ceux qui restent ici,
congratulating them.
De Guillaume Niclou.
Those who are left.
D'un film en compétition. Ils étaient au nombre de 19. Demain.
Avec un Gérard Depardieu étonnant.
Gérard Depardieu is very surprising.
Très vite, on voit quelle force de la nature est devenu cet homme. On va
He's real force of nature. So the second ovation for Guillaume Niclou.
Que lui réservent les festivaliers. C'est le 19e film en compétition.
Film in competition.
Il n'est pas 13e car Guillaume Niclou est claustrophobe. Il a peur d'être 13e.
Is afraid of being 13th. There's a fear of being 13th.
Film en compétition.
So what was the 13th film?
On ne va pas se poser tout de suite parce que je n'ai pas mes fiches. Pas du tout. Le deuxième beaucoup plus tranquille. Beaucoup plus relax, regardez la salle est pleine, évidemment.
Triskaidekaphobia.
Et notre super producteur,
and our producer,
Frank Nem, m'indique que le
Nem
13e
says that the 13th film
Paolo Sorrentino
was Paolo Sorrentino's film Youth with Sir Michael Caine. And so here we are at the bottom of the steps.
Vers la salle Lumière, puisque
Lumière
c'est là
Theatre,
que
because
démarre
that
pour la deuxième fois
for the second time there is the
pour la deuxième
anyway,
fois, le film de Guillaume Niclou,
second screening of Valley of Love from Guillaume Niclou. So tomorrow, a very
la journée de
important
clôture, la journée du
day,
palmarès,
the
on sera en direct
closing,
sur les marches.
the
Avec,
awards will be here
avec Anne et Pierre,
with Anne and Pierre,
et Pierre Zeni.
and Sefton Pierre Zeni.
Ils seront
In
là,
the
début de
studio,
la
they'll be up there
à 17h30,
beginning of
je
happy
serai
hour.
en bas des marches pour vous faire vivre
At
en
half past
direct l'arrivée
5,
des
I'll be down
équipes,
here for
du
the
jury,
arrival of
ainsi aussi
the
que l'arrivée
crews,
de
the
l'équipe du film de
jury,
clôture. La
the
glace
closing
et le ciel,
film,
le film de Luc Jacquet.
Ice on the Sky from Luc Jacquet will be live. You'll see everything preceding the ceremony here with us live on the channel, the official channel of the Cannes Film Festival, the Festival de Cannes. So all you've not seen is the films, and I would like, because tomorrow it's going to be a bit weird, but I would like to say thank you to everybody that we've been working with during the past 10 days. 10 days, a lot of work, but it was wonderful. It was made easy by everybody that worked with us, whether it's the cameraman, the people in the OB unit, the producers, the journalists, and I would like to say thank you very much. Thank you. And we had 10 wonderful days. Thanks to you, and there's one day left, maybe the best day tomorrow. And so the last night here, 5:30 in the evening on the red carpet.